Welcome to our creative adventure, where we dive into the world of transforming vintage furniture into elegant wall art. We're excited to show you how to breathe new life into timeless pieces, making them a stunning addition to your home decor. If you enjoy this video, please stay with us throughout the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. Remember to like and share with friends who appreciate unique design ideas. Your support helps us keep the creativity flowing. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the beauty of vintage furniture. However, these timeless pieces possess a unique charm and character that contemporary furnishings often lack. The act of redesigning and reimagining vintage furniture into elegant wall art not only preserves their history but also taps into a burgeoning trend of sustainable and creative home decor. Vintage furniture often comes with rich stories and distinct craftsmanship. Whether it's an intricately carved wooden chair or an elegant vanity, each piece carries a narrative from a bygone era. By showcasing these items on your walls, you can celebrate their history while also adding a touch of sophistication to your home. Transforming vintage furniture into wall art begins with a vision. Start by assessing the pieces you own or find at thrift stores and flea markets. Imagine how they can be reworked, whether by maintaining their original finishes or giving them a fresh coat of paint. Sketching out ideas can help clarify your vision and guide you as you embark on the transformation. There are several practical techniques for reimagining vintage furniture as wall art. One popular method is to detach elements, such as chair backs or door fronts, and mount them on wooden boards or canvases. Another technique involves using items like old shutters or doors as backdrops for smaller decor pieces or photographs, creating a layered and textured display. One of the exciting aspects of this transformation is the ability to combine different styles and eras. Mixing vintage pieces with modern elements can result in a striking contrast that enhances the overall aesthetic of your space. Experiment with colors, materials, and layouts to achieve a cohesive look that reflects your personality. Upcycling vintage furniture into wall art is not only aesthetically pleasing but also environmentally friendly. In an age where sustainability is paramount, giving new life to old furniture reduces waste and promotes a circular economy. It encourages the idea that beautiful decor can be created without resorting to new manufacturing processes, benefiting both your home and the planet. Customizing vintage pieces into artistic wall decor allows you to infuse your personality into your home. Select items that resonate with you, whether due to their shape, color, or heritage. Personalization can include adding photographs, artwork, or other decorative elements that speak to your individual style, creating a unique narrative that is distinctly yours. Wall art made from vintage furniture can serve as stunning focal points in any room. Whether it's an eye-catching piece above a mantel or an eclectic gallery wall, These installations draw attention and spark conversation. The intricate details of vintage items often serve as captivating visual anchors that elevate the ambience of your living space. While the initial redesign process is thrilling, maintaining the artful pieces is essential for longevity. Regular dusting, gentle cleaning, and occasional touch-ups will help keep your vintage wall art looking fresh. Additionally, consider the placement of these pieces to avoid exposure to direct sunlight or moisture, which can cause wear over time. Redesigning vintage furniture into elegant wall art is a fulfilling and creative endeavor that enriches any home. It allows you to honor the past while crafting an innovative and stylish present. So venture into your attic, explore local shops, and unleash your artistic spirit. Your walls are waiting for these nostalgic treasures to shine. Thank you for watching our journey into redesigning and reimagining vintage furniture into elegant wall art. We hope you found inspiration and practical ideas to transform your own pieces. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more creative projects, and don't forget to like and share with friends who might appreciate the beauty of vintage decor. Your support helps us continue bringing you innovative ideas.